Welcome to Wandershire Farm. My name is Mo, along with my wife Cole. We are going to document and share our experience preserving food. Our goal is to help build a community of people that enjoy creating shelf-stable foods at home. We will be covering modern cutting-edge food preservation and some methods from antiquity. This channel is built from our Facebook group, Retort Pouch and Shelf-Stable Food Preservation, where we talk retort canning, vacuum packing, and food storage 24 hours a day. On this channel we are going to concentrate on shelf-stable foods. We will experiment with old-world preservation techniques including salting, smoking, curing, fermenting, pickling and sun-drying. We will also experiment with retort canning, dehydrating, vacuum pickling, and freeze-drying. Ron Finley once said growing your own food is like printing your own money. If this is true, then preserving your own food is like collecting interest on the money you print. Our videos will document our research and be a diary of our experiments. If you feel like experimenting in your own home, then do your own research. Understand, Darwinism is real. You alone are responsible for the food you feed your own family. Please take the time to subscribe and click the notifications button so you will be updated when we post a new video. Swing by our Facebook group, Retort Pouch and Shelf-Stable Food Preservation. We at Wandershire Farm would like to thank you for visiting our channel.